All right, in this video, we're going to be looking at constant rate of change and proportionality. All right, I have a graph that represents a linear relationship between the number of books that Layla has read and the number of months that she's been a member of the book club. So I'm kind of noticing a couple of things. I've got the number of months down here on the bottom and the number of books over here on the side. Which one of these statements is supported by the rate of change in this relationship? So let's see. Layla read 2 books in the first 3 months that she was a member. So let's see, number of months 3. Does it go up to 2? No. Layla read 3 books in the first 2 months. Okay, so let's go to 2 months and see if that goes up to 3. And it does. So I'm going to put a star next to that one, make sure that one's the one that looks the best so far. And then the next one says Layla read 3 books in the first 4 months. I'm going to go over to 4 months. Does that go up to 3? No, it goes up to 6. And then the last one says Layla read 4 books in the first 3 months. So again, let's go over to 3. Does this go up to 4? No. So G is my best answer here. All right, this one says which one does not have a car traveling at 55 miles an hour. In other words, which one does not have that as a constant rate of change? Well, some I can get rid of right away. Constant rate of change is 55, so that's not it. This one looks like a little bit more than 50, so probably 55. That's not it. So then I have 2 I need to look at. Got my table, and then I've got my situation here. So this one looks like it says 3 hours, 160 miles. So let's see how fast that is. So that's 5, 15. So there 3 times, which is 9. So this is 53, which is not 55, something right now that's probably my best choice. So let's see what it's changing my here. It's like 82.5 minus 55. It's like 27.5 and 0.5. So 27.5, again, change in y over change in x. That's 55, so that can't be my answer, so C it is. Right, during migration, butterfly can travel 30 miles in 1 hour. Let's see which one shows me that, 30 miles in 1 hour. So again, I got my hours here on the bottom. So I'm going to go with 1 hour and see which one goes up to 30. Well, this has 5 that goes to 30. So that's 30 that goes to 5. That would be 30 hours. That's not what I want. Only one here that makes sense. All right. See this one? Let's see if we can find which graph best represents. So let's go through and find my constant rate of change here. So 32 up to 56 goes up by 24. Goes up by 24 and goes up by 24. Over here goes up by 2, 2, and 2. Again, I'm going to do change in y over change in x, and I get 12. So I'm looking, it looks like $12 per hour. So I'm going to look and see which one has that. $12 per hour. Or I can look at it and say $24 in 2 hours. That would work too. It looks like it's not proportional because I know it's not starting at 0. So again, keep looking through. So 24 and 12, or in 2 hours, so 4 hours would be 48. I also can look at just ordered pairs, 1 and 32, 3 and 56, 1 and 32, 3 and 56. My answer is D.